Foxtail Coffee is committed to responsibly sourcing some of the finest coffees from all over the world, and now the Sanford community can fully enjoy all of the offerings at their new 201 South Sanford Avenue location in beautiful downtown Sanford. So let's speak with Lauren Ward and learn more about Foxtail Coffee.
Foxtail Coffee was founded in 2016 in Winter Park with the idea of providing the community with a place that they could get high quality coffee that's responsibly sourced from all over the world and roasted locally in Winter Park, Florida. Foxtail Coffee offers a wide variety of beverages besides coffee. We also have tea, we've got sparkling water, sodas, and other refreshment offerings. At our Foxtail Coffee location here in Sanford, we're partnered with Kelly's Homemade Ice Cream as well as the Ravenous Pig Brewing Company. Right now we do serve a variety of ice cream flavors, and we'll soon be launching our local beer menu as well. Since we opened here in downtown Sanford, things have been going really well. We've seen a lot of really great feedback and seen a lot of people come through our doors in just a few weeks since we've been open. It's been very well received by the community, and we're very proud to be here in downtown Sanford along with so many other local businesses and restaurants and in a really great location in the community.